Ahead of the upcoming autonomous district council elections, a joining ceremony was organized today at the Bachaibari Hasukni Kharang Community Hall by the Khwai Division IPFT. A total of 77 individuals from 21 families officially joined the IPFT party and welcomed into the party by handing over the IPFT flag. Other key leaders present during this joining ceremony included Prashanta Debarma, Vice President of the Central Committee and Chairman of the Advisory Committee for Padmabil RD Block; Sunil Debarma, Assistant General Secretary of the Central Committee and Chairman of the Advisory Committee for Mungya Kami RD Block; Pradeep Debarma, Assistant General Secretary of the Central Committee and Chairman of the Advisory Committee for Tula Shikar RD Block; Malin Debarma, Vice Chairman of the Central Committee of Youth IPFT; Priya Debarma, Assistant General Secretary of the Central Committee of Youth IPFT, and Ratindra Debarma. On that day, Nirudha Debarma addressed a speech.
Paipalaya hambai media takukte bukuk chongdo tini oroni news coverage klaimani bagai tini Khwai Salka Division ni kaisa joining program bo Chini logi manjak paika Central ni Vice President Borom Gunang Prasanto Deborma soho ang General Secretary ege IPFT party ni adorsho no hamjage IPFT ni demand no hamjage tai waisa chini IPFT no agin hai ke phanbari roi chini tiprasane je next generation busuk rong ni bagai sung movement khlanya thangtani IPFT ni o phano sung subanai hnoi gobang ma dal bidal political party ni bung salia the 21 family ni 77 voter tini IPFT ni o demand adorsho bini je discipline na hamjage IPFT o tai waisa porok people joining klepeta ke o joining je program ni bisingte ang kisicha kok sanani mutuma ka obahai je chini IPFT ni president Prem Kumar Riang ji bo Kanchanpura thangnai 3 tarik je January 2026 bini yak bai pulla ei bisi ketalni joining chengkha aboni pore gonda tisha ni pore mungya kami ni pore 4 number ekei saptaho 4ta joining program tini 4 number je joining program obo Khwai Salka je division no ngui tongbo ke boni bagi tini je joining khaipnai rokno chung sini IPF tini Central Committee ni ngai division ni ngai ba borok no chung yasak soko ke khaklayo borok ni je joining klaimani bisingtui o amsoni tai sara Tripurani bebak tiprasa no hamjak nai takuktai bukuk chongbo taratari chini IPF tigo join klaipaine o kok no sanani musungbo hambai.
Reported by Biplov from Khwai, Chini Khara.